Hey everyone! Today I'm breathing new life into a purse I made for myself several years ago. I use it every day and it's looking pretty rough. Here it is. It's looking a little dull. You can see here that I have busted some of the stitches. It's very scuffed, it's very worn. Overall, it's in pretty rough shape. So first I'm going to take off the strap. Then I'm going to thread my needle, and I am going to sew with 2 needles doing a saddle stitch. This is the most secure stitch. My guess is that I either caught this on something or I didn't secure it enough at the end when I originally made it. I am going back in with some dye to refresh it. I'm using a darker color this time to go over and just bring a richer, deeper color to the purse as a whole. After doing that, I use a little rubbing alcohol to clean up the hardware. Then I'm going to use some liquid saddle soap to clean it up once the dye has dried. Then I'm going to go in with my Aussie leather conditioner and buff that right into the leather. You always want to condition your leather after using a harsh soap like saddle soap, otherwise it's going to be dried and cracked. What I love about Aussie leather conditioner is that it has beeswax in it, so it actually, while conditioning, it also seals it. So here's the finished product. I love how the color turned out. It's so gorgeous and deep. It's nice to not have a busted seam on my purse anymore. And using the alcohol to clean up the hardware really refreshed and renewed the hardware too. I'm so happy with it. It just goes to show that leather products can almost always be brought back to life, no matter how rough they're